Alright, so Abhinay this side. So I have opened a new Facebook profile. So Kushagra's profile I have opened over here for the testing purpose, because this is one profile in which the ad manager also has not been set up ever. So I'm trying to set up the new ad manager and just trying to see what are the requirements if we are setting up a new ad manager that probably you would be needing when you are setting it up for the first time. Um, Easy view and accept. Okay, we don't have a problem with this. Get set up, creating your first ad. Okay, get started. You need to create a business portfolio first. Create a business portfolio. I don't think so. Business details. Okay, so now we need to add some business details. Let's suppose. Okay. Page name, username, Facebook page. Okay, let's say just call it Kushagra. Um, Category search and learner category is a type of topic. I can add to three. Um, Internet marketing service probably. Um, and a profile picture. Let's see if we have any picture in this laptop. Okay, let's add this. Okay, create page. So to get to the ad manager tab, when I opened Facebook over here, I saw this ad manager button over here. So you should be having the ad manager button over here ideally, or otherwise you can just click on this. You can copy this URL, this whole URL, and if you are opening the ad manager for the first time, this should be the URL: adsmanager.facebook.com/adsmanager or slash onboarding, something like that. It should work for you. Connect Instagram. We can skip for now. How will you pay for the ads? Yeah, well, let's do it later. Um, Campaign setup. Okay. Online sales. Online leads. Let's see. Recommended settings. Manual leads. Campaign. Preset campaign. Automate people. Yeah. It includes. Okay. Let me pick this one. I'm just checking whether it is asking for any GST details or what. Let's see. So campaign level, I guess we are fine. Leads, auction, all of this is good to go. Okay, we'll do it via website. New leads, that's it. Maximum number of conversions, cost per, that is okay. Okay, let's see. Audience control. Okay, so age 18 and all of this, it's fine. Audience edition. Okay, I guess. Okay, let's put something. Let's suppose let's say Gary Vaynerchuk. Not sure if that is removed, so let's say internet marketing. Okay, oh, sorry, this is custom audience. Detailed targeting. Gary Vaynerchuk. Okay, so just for the sake of this example, okay. Okay, what next? try to send the traffic. Oh yeah, let's see. Yeah, maybe. Okay. What was there that day? So, like from the budget point of view, it's sorted. But what about the pixel and all? So is required to publish it a pixel or so stored if such a landing page views. Yeah, that's what I was wondering. That there is no pixel, there is no conversion they have asked for. Um, okay, let's close this for now. I mean, this is not the point. I mean, am I able to run the ad without any GST setting or all? Because I will set up the pixel and that is fine, good to go. But am I able to run the ad? That's the whole point. Let me. Because it has not asked for me regarding anything. Let's suppose if I just go with the traffic objective, let's suppose. Yeah, send traffic to send maximum number of link clicks, okay, fine. Cost per result is fine. This is fine, everything is fine. Yeah, this is good to go. Even this is good to go. That's not a concern right now. Okay, so we have given the link as well. So if I publish, remember this is a new ad account, okay? So I'm trying to figure out that uh, this is optional. Okay, great. So business and tax info is optional. If I don't have a GST number, I don't have a PAN, confirm all the information on this page is completed and accurate. If I don't have a business name, no, I'm not buying ads for business purposes. So for all these things, I am not required. So if I select this, I'm not buying ad for business purposes. Even this is fine. Ideally, you should be having a business. Ideally, you should be having a business name. Ideally, you should be having a GST number, and you need to be putting all of this over here. So if I have a business, even then GST number is optional. So I can just put in the other details without the GST. If I don't have a business, even then all the other things are fine. Then I don't need to put in, then probably I cannot put this, but I need to put in the PAN number. Kushak, the PAN number क्या है?
Just give me a number.
business. Okay, this is the required field. Okay. So if I just put in the details, I will be able to run the ads. Let's see. It's like without any GST or anything. For the testing purpose, if I can add a lower amount, that would be nice. uh, Play a pop-up window for the first to complete your purchase in the pop-up window. Okay. Okay, so I think we'll be able to run the ads now. Um, I believe the error over here is that the budget that we have added is uh, more than the amount that we have added, but I guess that is fine. That is not the goal over here. um, I will just set it to 10th April 11:59 probably PM. Okay, how about now? कैंपेन का शेड्यूल जोड़ा शेड्यूल जोड़ा तो उसका रोज की खर्ची अधिकतम लिमिट का उपयोग करने वेबसाइट कम से कम 24 घंटे चलने चाहिए शेड्यूल बढ़ा है. Okay, so it is just the scheduling problem, right? So if I put it for 11th and maybe let's make it AM. Now it should work. Let's see. I guess it is working. That's the whole point. I'm not sure why it is showing in draft. I'll click on publish over here once again. One second. Okay, so it is asking me to select a page. Okay, fine. That is okay. To place ads on Instagram, please select an Instagram account to represent your business. Either you can select your Facebook page. Use the Facebook page. This will work for me. I mean, this is just for testing. Facebook page. Um, okay, I guess the other things are sorted. Let's see if it does not pass any error once again. Okay, so let's see once again. Okay, so this is into processing. So basically, everything has got published, and the good thing is that even as a new advertiser, I'm able to run ads without any uh, business or without any, let's say, GST settings, um, which I personally wanted to see. I was not expecting that to happen, but it has happened, so it is good. The ad is getting processed, so I guess we are good over here. It will take some time for the thing to work on, and we can go into the edit button, and we can look at some of the details over here, and some of the things. For example, show me the ad. So yeah, so this has come via the Facebook page Kushagra that we just created. The ad is there, the thing is there. If I click on this button, it is taking me to the link where we intended it to go. So I guess we are good, right? And if I wanna see the billings page, let's have a look at that also. So the billings page, it shows funded, nice. Prepaid balance is showing. Payment settings are connected, funded, it's showing. Business info is there. If I go into the business settings, let's have a look over here. So it shows I have things, data sources and all. I can create pixel, that is fine. Billings, payments, we just went over there. Security center probably. Okay, business info. If we have any business info, we'll add it. Right now I'm continuing this as if this is not a legal business. We are just as a starter, the first person who is starting. Okay, so I guess we are fine. We are able to run the ads without any need of any GST or anything, or even if setting up a business or anything. So this was a completely new profile that we selected. Kushagra, who is the talent manager in the company, so he has never done any ad before, and so from his profile we were able to select this and do it. So I guess we are good.